Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yummy Arts Kitchen. Yay! Today we're going to feature Tami Utley and some Christmas stuff that is just going to be amazing. It's so cute. Ladies and gentlemen, Tami Utley.
Hello! Need that canned crowd.
That's right. Yay! That was easy.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me. You're not out shopping. Yeah. Except for some people I know that are working this morning, other than me. I actually had the opportunity to meet a Yummy Arts member. Unfortunately, she has to work this morning, so should hopefully get a seat on the replay. But today we're going to be doing a Christmas theme. I'd say cake, but it's actually not a cake. We're actually using brownies today.
Yay! Which I'm very excited about. I love brownies.
Yeah,
this is adorable.
So I'll have lots of scraps for, Michael. You got to keep him. Right. But we're using brownies. They're really easy. They're nice and dense already. So I'm actually not going to be using any supports in this. It's fairly small anyways. It's only, this big. It's just a little elf shoe. You could actually make it a Santa shoe. You could make into a pilgrim shoe and have a cat coming out, a witch's shoe and have a black cat coming out. You can change it to an leprechaun shoe and have, I don't know what, shamrocks come out the top of it or something, just change it up to however you want.
So if those are life size, it's an elf and a leprechaun, so that's actually life size.
Well,
shoe, right?
Actually it's almost, almost my shoe size.
It's a big elf and a big leprechaun.
Yeah, well, we're going to eat it. So basically what I did is I have just a couple oval cutters, and I just used these whatever cutters I had, and then that's what size dictated what it is. If you got oval pans, you can actually bake your brownies in oval pans and then make a bigger shoe. But a cookie cutters work for me. This is a 5 3/4 inch cookie cutter and a 4 3/4 inch cookie cutter.
That's my size of cookies right there.
So
I like cookies that size.
One bite for him. So what I did is I basically just going to cut it out, and then I'm going to take a chunk out of it so that I can fit the two together, right? So what I did is I baked a 12 by 18 pan of cookies, brownies, cookies. What's a brownie? It's like a cookie. So here they are, yeah, and it's going to smell very chocolatey in here. If you don't have smell-o-vision, well, that'll be soon. They got the 3D printers now, so it won't be long. Oh, I forgot to unwrap this. So we get to spend our entire hour unwrapping this.
Right.
I forgot. I wrap them really well.
Good, excellent. Keeps them fresh, in case there's any leftovers, just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
So I'm hoping that you only need those two little ovals and the rest, kind of stays here.
So while I make two ovals, we got to build it up.
Right.
I just did a 12 by 18 pan, and it's about not even an inch thick. What is this? The nice thing about this is you can actually just go. It's 3/4 of an inch. You could actually go to the grocery store and just buy the pans of brownies already made up. It's a little more expensive that way, but not a ton. Or get the brownie mixes when they're on sale, or make brownies from scratch. But I'm too lazy to do that. I actually used a mix.
A mix?
A mix.
No way.
Yep, I know.
And yet I will still eat it. Who knew? So you got to be real careful and not to break this gigantic slab.
Well, I did break it, but that's okay. I usually chill it, but the car ride, if it breaks, the nice thing about brownies, it doesn't matter if they break. They're very firm and very dense, and you just squish it back together. We'll actually be modeling a little bit, with them, squishing them and stuff, and they're nice that way, almost like Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah.
It's not like, it's a cross between Rice Krispie and cake.
Yeah, it's kind of.
And you could do this out of Rice Krispie treats too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brownies are very forgiving.
You can do it out of cake.
That's what it is. They're very forgiving.
They're very forgiving. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to place these ovals on here, and I'm going to get as best I can.
Can you make a sound effect while we do this? I'll help you. You press down and you got it.
Yeah, okay.
Have your kids help you with a special sound effect. We're doing more than one.
Yeah, I'm using the whole
You're using up my brownies.
You're using
up my extra there.
I know.
Get little slippers here. It does smell very good.
It does smell good.
Those folks at home that can't smell it like I can.